Welcome to the SoftwareTrailers.com video channel. Today we will be presenting BerryCast. BerryCast is an app that allows you to simultaneously record your screen, camera, and audio to create online videos that match in-person explanations. It can also be used to create video messaging and improve your daily work. You can now move on to the next level with your tutorials, sales outreach, and internal presentations. You can also send videos with your own branding to show off your work, solicit feedback, and make collaboration easier by providing visual explanations. It's a great replacement for Loom, Screencastify, and Vidyard. BerryCast is more productive because video messages with coworkers are far more efficient. Furthermore, BerryCast boosts your team's productivity by simply ensuring that everyone understands your ideas. Salespeople, teachers, and support teams who want to use video to improve their communications, lessons, and presentations should use this tool. BerryCast allows you to record and share video messages that include your screen, voice, and face. Your account contains all of your videos, from which you can send video messages to coworkers and clients to stay clear or save time when written words aren't enough. You can now help your clients with your branding. You can show off your work, get feedback, and make collaboration easier with a visual explanation by sending videos with your own branding, all while maintaining a human touch. Sometimes all you need is the visual element of displaying your screen. With a user-friendly screen recording app that's as simple as pie, you can now improve asynchronous communication and add flair to your online interactions. If you like what you hear about BerryCast, get lifetime access today at a great price by checking out the link in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of great upcoming deals on software like this one. Get lifetime access today. Check out the link in the description below. As a bonus, check out our collection of current software lifetime deals available on the top right of your screen. With dozens of software to choose from, you will probably find a solution to one of your pain points at killer low prices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to get our latest software deals and much more.